Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. Okay, so this reading will be who will you marry? So we will find out who you are going to marry. Who will you marry? Okay, let's ask this question to spirits and let us get some clarity on your position and who will you marry in future. Okay, so before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly motivating me to do more and more videos and welcome new subscribers. And I would request you all to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment below so that I can know what you're feeling, whether my readings are resonating or not. If you want any other different types of readings, that also you can mention in the comment section, and I would love to read all your comments. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And there are many viewers who will be watching this video, so it cannot match with everybody. It cannot resonate with everybody. So choose the pile. If your one is not matching, then you can see the other pile also. Then it might resonate with you. Okay, if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Then if you send an email, then I can respond back to you. Okay, so let's go to the pile selection. We have three piles here. First pile is black tourmaline. Then next is clear quartz, and third one is lapis lazuli. Please take your time and choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video. If you want to meditate on this pile, you can do so. But while I'm shuffling, try to think about any person, if you are in if someone is there in your mind, so that your energies can match to this reading. And also if that is the same person or different person, that also you can see in this reading. So let's start. Who will you marry? Sorry friends, whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. So whoever chose this black tourmaline, we will see who will you marry. Who will you marry? Let's see. Who will you marry? Okay, some of the cards are flipping. I will take all those cards which all are flipped. Okay, who will you marry? Ace of Wands. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance. The Hierophant. One more card, Spirit. Queen of Swords. Okay, so we have here Ace of Wands, the Hierophant and the Queen of Swords. Let's see. So I can see that the person you are going to marry must be Taurus or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Any sign it could be. This is general reading. I'll be pulling more and more cards. So signs does not matter, but you can take the content. Okay, it can be any sign, because almost all the signs will come in the general readings, because many people will be watching. So you can take it however it resonates. Okay, so Ace of Wands. Okay, so some new passionate beginning will happen. Okay, you might be already knowing this person, whomever you are going to marry. So maybe you already know this person. Some new beginning might happen in this connection. Maybe you both are friends normally, and some passionate new beginning might happen in this friendship, and it might turn to a connection. So let's see more. So this person might be a Taurus person, sun moon rising, and this person is very trustworthy, loyal, honest, and well respected in the society. I can see there is some age gap, and this person might be older to you, and also I can see that this person is a very stable person. Okay, so some for some people I can see a single mom or a single dad, and they are into a very powerful position. And for some of you, this person might be in a higher authority position, like a manager, boss, military, army, police. Okay, this person might be someone who is in a very high position and highly respectable person. And I can see their age gap also is there in between. Okay, so let's pull more cards. Who is this person that you are going to get married? Who is this person? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance. Who is this person? Okay, so this person might be Pisces, and this Two of Cups and Five of Cups. Okay, as I told you already, science doesn't matter. Pisces is prominent here, Taurus is prominent here, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again. So you can take it however it resonates. Okay, so this person is having a lot of secrets in their lives, and maybe in the past, maybe their mother or your mother refused this match or this connection. Okay, they have a lot of secrets and they are not able to open up to you. Maybe they have many feelings or emotions towards you that they didn't express. Maybe they are wearing some kind of a mask, and I can also see that they are going through a very tough situation now. Okay, they are going through a very tough condition or tough situation, and they are very sad. That feeling also I'm getting here. They are very sad and they are thinking about the past. I strongly feel that whoever you are going to get married, this person is already, you know, this person, you both are kind of a soulmates. Okay, so both are business partners or classmates, college mates. You know this person already, I strongly feel. And not only for some time, you know this person from years. Okay, you have some in and out situation, I can see. This person is very sad, and they are regretting about whatever happened in the past, and they want to share their cup of love with you. You can see the Two of Cups. This is a soulmate card. So you both are they want equal give and take between you and that person. And also I want to tell you, this is mutual love, and this is not one sided. So you both love each other so much, and there will be a passionate new beginning in this connection. Maybe if you both are not in a talking terms, or if you are just friends, then it will turn it into a connection. Okay, so let's pull more cards. Spirits and angels, please tell us, who is this person? Who will they marry? My pile number one. Who will they marry? Who is this person? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is this person? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who is this person? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Okay, so the Magician, Nine of Wands, Judgment. So as I already told you in the starting of the reading itself, that this person you already know. So there will be a reconciliation, then after that this marriage will happen. And this person is manifesting you. He is waiting, and he is kind of a magician. Whatever they want, they can get it. And they will try all their tricks and techniques also for some people to get you back, to win you back. You can see that this person is tired of waiting. Maybe you both are not talking for years. This person is tired of waiting, they are feeling sick, and but their guards are up. Okay, they don't want to come directly and tell that no, I want to marry you, I love you. Okay, directly they will not say. They are waiting, they are manifesting, they are doing many things behind you to win you, to get you back. Okay, strongly I feel this person is your soulmate. Definitely I can see infinity symbol twice, so definitely this person is your soulmate, and judgment is happening. Universe is entering into mm, your connection, and the universe will make you to reconcile. Okay, because you are not moving, this person is not moving. As I already told you, I can see that you or your person might be single mom or single dad, divorced persons. Okay, you are the divorcee, or the other person is divorcee, I can see that. Then you both will reconcile. Definitely you both will reconcile, and this is divinely guided connection, your soulmates. Okay, so please take it however it resonates. As I told you already, all the signs are here, so there is not a one particular sign, so please take it however it resonates. Let's see messages from your future spouse. Let's see initials first, then we will see messages from your future spouse. Okay, I have here L O P A G B U W E S and C. Okay, this can be their first name, middle name, or last name. Okay, take it however it resonates, and this is all alphabets might be there in their name. Okay, so let's see their messages for you. What are the messages from your person? Because you already know this person, you have some cycles with this person. So let's see what is this person want to say to you. Let's pull some messages from this person. Oh my god, cards are flying. So definitely this person want to talk to you, they want to communicate with you. Okay, we got enough cards, and one card fell down also. I couldn't let you get close to me. So this person is regretting now. We have the Five of Cups also. Five is prominent, friends. By the way, I forgot to tell you, five is prominence. Prominent. Maybe this person is born in May, or you are born in May, or you both will get married in May. Something. Five is very very prominent. Or this person's or your birthday is in May. Okay. So our birthday is in 5th. 5 is the birth date. Financially unstable. Okay, that is the reason this person is not able to come towards you, because they feel that they are not stable in finance. Okay, financially they are not stable. My love for you is unconditional. They love you so much, because we have the Two of Cups card, right? In a battle. Okay, they are fighting in themselves what they should do. They are not actually clear what to do, because they have this card also, fear of rejection. That is the reason they are fighting in their mind only. They are not saying anybody whether they should come towards you or not. They are having the inner battle. Okay, I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it really was breaking my heart. Okay, so they are really heartbroken with the Five of Cups. I can definitely see they are into very sad situation. We are fine and things will be better soon. They are giving you a promise that we are fine and things will be better soon. Long distance relationship. Okay, it might be a long distance relationship for some of you. I'm not the right person. They feel somehow you are more than them, or you are greater than them. Even we have the Queen of Swords, right? Queen of Swords means they look at you as a powerful person. Okay, that is the reason they are not able to come towards you. They feel less low compared to you. That's the reason they are saying I'm not the right person, but surely you will get married to this person only. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends, and don't forget to press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. Okay, that's all for you. See you in the next reading. Until then, bye. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Let's see, who will you marry? Whoever chose pile number 2, the clear quartz, who will you marry? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will my pile 2 going to get married to? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity and guidance. The Lovers, wow. Two of Wands, King of Cups. Okay, so I can see this person might be Gemini or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Signs doesn't matter, friends, because this is general readings and I'm going to pull more and more cards, so you can see almost all the signs, but please take it however it resonates. So for this pile also I can see that you are going to marry a person whom already you are in love with. Okay, you both are lovers, and you will get married to this person only. Okay, but maybe you thought that no, this marriage will not happen, or you are now in no communication situation, or you both broke up or blocked each other, whatever it may be, but you are going to get married to this person only finally, because this connection is divinely guided, and you are kind of Adam and Eve, like you both are meant to be together. So this is what is destined to your life, in your life. So you will definitely get married to this person only, and I can clearly see that this is a long distance relationship, and the other person, your future spouse, they want to offer you their world, to you. Okay, and even though they have options, but they chose you. They are holding you in their hand, and I mean in their mind and thoughts, and they want to commit to you only, not to anybody else, though they have other options. They are King of Cups. Okay, they might be a very sensitive, emotional, romantic person, but they are highly influential person. They are rich, abundant, and they are in a high position. Okay, they might be a manager, director, CEO, chairman. Okay, and this person also is not a young person, I can see here. This person is some age difference will be there, and this person will be in a high position. Okay, already they have struggled a lot to reach that position, so they are not a very young person. They might be in their 30s. Okay, not in 20s or teenagers. Okay, they are into their 30s, or for some people it is 40s also, because they have achieved this power and position on their by their hard work. Okay, and for some of you it might be Pisces also. I can see Pisces also here. So this person is very like sensitive, romantic, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. They are single, maybe for some people they are divorced also. Okay, but this person is single. Okay, let's pull more cards. Who will you marry? Who will you marry? Who will my pile 2 will marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity, Spirit. So the Page of Pentacles. I can see this person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And Two of Pentacles, the Fool. Okay, so again I have the signs here, the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this person might be Leo. Okay, so they want to come towards you, and they want to offer you their a gift. Okay, a gift or a offer. They will come towards you with an offer, but they are not in a matured condition right now, but they are in a immature condition. And for some of you, Page of Pentacles means it is a young and aspiring person. That means this person is coming up now, and they are trying to become financially stable. They are earning, they want to earn more and more money to make you happy, and they want to offer you also that same money or the gift, or they will come towards you with a stable offer. Even the Page means it is a kind of an immature energy, but this Page of Pentacles is very grounded person. Okay, this person is not having any uh, like feelings are not the feelings are real actually. Okay, they are not unstable, but maybe I can say that these feelings are in a what do you say, starting stages. Okay, preliminary stages, like they are just starting, and it will grow up. But definitely you know this person, and maybe in like in the past you were like classmates, college mates, or colleagues. Okay, it can be whatever it is, but they are juggling with two things or two people, and they also feel that you are soulmates. And this person is juggling. You can see this Two of Pentacles definitely. So two came together, see friends, and Two of Wands and Two of Pentacles. So this person is juggling, definitely juggling with two people, or two things, maybe the job, finance, and you. Okay, so they are busy, they have lot of work, and at the same time they will take risk towards you. They will come towards you. They know that this connection or this marriage is not easy, but still they will take a risk. They will take a leap of faith. They, even though they don't know what will happen in future, but they want to come towards you. They will take a risk. Okay, and they will come towards you, whoever you are going to get married. Let's pull more cards. Spirits and angels, please give a clear picture. Who is this person? Who is this person that my pile 2 are going to get married? Okay, Ten of Pentacles. Again, this is Pentacle cards. Definitely, this person is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign. I can see Knight of Swords and the King of Swords. Okay, you can see here, friends, there are two kings here. So I feel that there will be two proposals for you. Okay, but who you will choose, that is up to you. Okay, one person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and other person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have two people in your life, I can see. And already I told you that one person will be divorcee, one person maybe they are not single mom or dad, but they are definitely one person will be divorcee, and other person will be in a higher position. Even the other divorced person also is in a very top rank position, higher position. They are into very mm, up, what can I say, respectable position in the society. And they are very very powerful. Both are very powerful. One person is very romantic, and other person is little bit like straightforward, I can say. Okay, two people are there. So this person whoever is going to get married to you, they want to have a family with you, and they will have already one child, I can see already. So as I told you that one person will be divorced, I said, right? So maybe they are already having a child, and they have like child custody or something like that. But still they want to come towards you, and they want to marry you, and they want to have this legacy with you. They want to have children with you. They want to have a beautiful life with you, with pets, then children, then family members. They want to combine their family and your family, and they want to combine their assets and your assets. Then they want to come together. They want to be united with you. Okay, so definitely they want to come towards you with a stable offer. And Knight of Swords means they want to run fast, they want to rush towards you fast. Okay, so I can see two things here, friends, and two people are there, as I told you. One person will be contacting you pretty soon. Okay, they will propose you. Whoever is this air sign, this person will definitely come towards you and offer you, propose you. Okay, that is up to you whether you will choose this person or not. That is entirely up to you. But the other person will be very slow, but that other person will be stable and romantic. So that's what I can feel from all these spreads. Okay, there are two people in your life, so you have to choose one person. Okay, who will you marry, that you have to decide among these two people. Okay, but two people will be coming towards you pretty soon, maybe in this year only. These two people will come towards you, and they will propose you, and you have to choose. They are rushing towards you. One person is taking a risk, and one person is coming like a knight of swords. Okay, they are into very fast moving energy. Let's see the initials of your future spouse. Okay, let's see. E, K, L, Y, V, H, M, A, Q, S. Okay, so these initials might be in these letters might be in their first name, last name, middle name. Take it however it resonates. Okay, so now let's see messages from your future spouse. Maybe you will get some clarity after seeing these messages. Who is that person? So messages from this person. Messages from this person. Okay, especially third spread, even I can feel that this person might be your ex. Okay, already you must have married to this person in past, and the same person might be coming towards you. Maybe you both have children together. Okay, this person is you both are divorced now. So I'm getting so many messages, friends. I'm not able to tell you exactly what it is. Even I'm shuffling also, even I'm seeing these cards also, I can see more and more messages. Okay, so maybe these messages from your person will give you more clarity. Okay, let's see what are their messages for you. What are their messages for you? What are their messages for you? So already I told you, long distance relationship, and message came, this distance is killing me. Okay, so let's pull some more. Okay, let's see. See, already I told you, two of wands is there, and the same message also came. This distance is killing me. So because they are very far and they are not able to come towards you, maybe because of corona, I cannot be with you when you need me. Okay, maybe I already told you, you had some cycles with this person, and when you needed them and they were not there. Okay, so long distance relationship, again this is a reconfirmation. So you can see who is this person. Okay, who is distant to you, long distance relationship. My love for you is unconditional. Definitely with the Lovers card, this person loves you a lot. I miss you every moment of my life. They miss you so much. Every day they will be thinking and dreaming about you. Please forgive me. Okay, they want you to forgive them. My past is haunting me, don't wait. Okay, for some of you, as I already told, this person might be divorcee, so they are saying that my past is haunting me, don't wait. Maybe they need more time. I am waiting for your call or text. Okay, definitely they are missing you and they want to talk to you. They are waiting for your call or text. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. That's all I have for you. Until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, this reading is for you. Who will you marry? Who will you marry? Whoever chose this lapis lazuli pile 3, Who will you marry? Let's see. Who will you marry? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will my pile 3 marry? Who is their future spouse? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Okay, many cards flew away. Let's see. Okay, 3 of Pentacles, the Lovers. Let me pull the cards. Justice, 3 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. Okay, so I can see here that your person might be Gemini or Libra. Okay, so Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or I can see the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, definitely you know this person, you already are in love with this person. Okay, so let us see what are their characteristics or personality. Let's see. This person might be working in a legal system. Okay, maybe a lawyer or a judge. Okay, this person might be working in a legal system, or very authoritative person. Okay, highly influential person, authoritative person, who deal with the public, and definitely who are in a legal system. Maybe for some people it is a police or army also. So they are a young person. I can see that they are young person, and for some of you they are younger than the viewer. Okay, the age difference is there. The viewer might be older than the person. Okay, they are learning this, they are apprenticeship. That means they are learning something in their life. They are newly joined, taken up a job. Okay, maybe even though if they are old also, they recently changed a job. They are learning the job right now, and they are taking up the responsibilities in the new job or new career. 3 of Pentacles. So the for some of you, maybe you both love each other, but the mother or a sister interfered in this connection, and they are not letting you to be united. Okay, for some of you this person is divorced person. Justice card is there. Okay, so maybe this person is having a legal battle, or maybe and also justice can be treated as two ways. Okay, one is like they are they are divorced, and they are having some legal battles, or in the other way, that this is a marriage card. Okay, so they want to marry you, they will marry you. Obviously we are asking who will you marry, no? So definitely this is your person. 3 is very prominent here, friends. Take it however it resonates. 3 can be your birthday, or March can be prominent for you. Okay, so you know this person, maybe you both are mutual friends, and you are celebrating with this person. You have parties together, celebrating together, enjoying the victory or success. As I told you already, this person got a job, and he or she changed their job, or they have taken up a new venture. Maybe it is a business. Okay, they are something related to money and finance. Okay, so you are having a nice time with this person, but you are not able to get united, maybe because of the reasons of the family, or maybe you both are not same caste or religion, something like that. But the viewer, for some of you, I can see the viewer is a single mom, and very abundant, rich, beautiful, wealthy person, and you are waiting patiently for this person, or it can be the other person also. Please take it how it resonates. Okay, I'm getting two, 3 messages from this spread. And now this person, whoever loves you so much, they want to come towards you, and cut off all the BS. Okay, they don't want any this lingering energy. They want to be straightforward to you. Will you marry me or not? They will be asking you, will you marry me or not? Tell me straightforward, yes or no. I don't want anything like, oh, I'll see, I'll tell you tomorrow, later. No, this person want to have a new beginning with you, and that too they want to have a clarity, and they want to get the victory in this connection. Okay, they don't want to have any lies, deceit. Okay, so they want to be straightforward, and they will ask you like, will you marry me or not? So let's see, let's pull more cards. Who will you marry? 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 Okay, so these are all the cards I have here. So one is King of Swords. See, King and Queen are in the same spread. The Hierophant, this person might be Taurus or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see here also I can see two people are there, friends. One is maybe your ex or past person, and other one is your lover. Okay, this person is a Taurus person, very, both are very highly respectable position. They are in a highly influential position. They both are like managers or directors or CEOs, chairman, whatever it is. Okay, so they are in an authoritative position. For some people it is a police or army, military, lawyer, judge, anything. Okay, so both the people, they want to propose you, they want to come in your life, and it is up to you who you will choose. Okay, there are two people coming into your life. Okay, and king and queen both are together, and the hierophant also is there. Hierophant means it is kind of a pope card, and this person, everybody will come to this person to get the advice from him or her. That much reputed person this person is. Okay, and other person is like King of Swords, maybe a divorcee, single person, and they are very very strong and cutthroat. Okay, they don't have any emotions, but they're very like practical person. And the Hierophant, they are very spiritual, intellectual, they are a very intelligent person. Okay, this person will come to you. And the lovers, whoever you are in love with, that person is waiting for the right time to come towards you and offer their cup of love, and they are waiting for their money and finance also. They are simply waiting with the seven of pentacles cards. They sowed their seed, and they are waiting to them to reap. Okay, or they are waiting for the money to come to them. They have invested some money, and they are waiting for that money to come. And the same way, they have maybe proposed you already, and they are waiting for your reply. But you both are divinely connected, and you both love each other, that is for sure. Okay, whomever you are going to get married, that person, you know them and you love them. You both are lovers with the lovers card. Okay, so this person is not somebody new to you. You already know this person, you have mutual friends also. And for some of you this person might be young, but for some of you this person might be 30 plus or 40 plus. Okay, please take it however it resonates. Let's see the initials of your person. Initials of your future spouse. E, T, D, K. You can see the second pile also. X, as I told you, this person might be X, your X also. V, N, S, W, and C. Okay, you can see the second pile also. That is also similar to this one only. Okay, you can get more clarity about your future spouse. Okay, these are all the initials of your future spouse. Let's see the messages from your future spouse. What are the messages from your person? What are the messages from your person? So these messages will give you more clarity on who is this person. Okay, so you will get more clarity who is this person. Okay. Okay, the first one, you are mine forever. Okay, this person feels that you are theirs because they love you so much. I couldn't let you get close to me. Maybe in the past they didn't take your offer, or you didn't take their offer, and they could not let you close to them. I wish I had treated you better. Maybe this person didn't have a good rapport with you, or some arguments or fights happened between you. Let's not rush things. Let it unfold naturally. So this person needs some time to come towards you. So they are saying, let's not rush the things. I want to hug you. Yeah, so this person is having very passionate thoughts about you. They want to hug you. My love for you is unconditional. I didn't know how to fix this. Especially if this person is your ex, they are saying that I didn't know how to fix this in the past. Thank you for the warm feelings you gave. Okay, definitely you have some cycles with this person. There is so much I want to say to you. Maybe you both are not in communication. They want to show so many things to you. Are you happy without me? So they have a doubt if you are happy without them or not, because they are not happy, obviously. So that's the reason they are asking this question. Okay, that's all I have for you, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell symbol, comment, and until the next reading, bye.